Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you deep dives on the best products you didn't know you needed. Today, we're featuring what we believe is the best knitting bag yarn storage organizer available right now, the LTINVECK Knitting Bag Backpack. This stylish yet super functional backpack is a game changer for knitting and crochet lovers on the go. Whether you're working on a large project or juggling multiple smaller ones, this bag offers the perfect mix of space, organization, comfort, and portability. Let's start with the capacity. Measuring 12.6 by 8.6 by 16 inches, the LTINVECK knitting backpack boasts an impressive 25-liter storage volume. To put that in context, that's enough space to store up to 30 skeins of 50 grams yarn. But it doesn't stop there. The main compartment is designed for maximum utility. There are 6 individual interior pockets to keep your yarns separate and tangle-free. Each of these has a matching hole at the top, so you can thread your yarn through and knit or crochet directly from the bag. The holes are reinforced and stiff enough to prevent yarn from snagging or slipping out. Now let's talk organization. This isn't just a big sack, it's a thoughtful crafter's tool. There are 6 interior pockets fitted with elastic straps, which can securely hold knitting needles up to 14 inches long. There are also 3 clear inner pockets where you can keep your essentials like scissors, stitch markers, or your phone. Moving to the exterior, you get elastic loops and pouches for crochet hooks and accessories, side pockets for water bottles or umbrellas. And, one of our favorite features, an anti-theft back pocket for valuables like your wallet, passport, or phone. Another travel-friendly feature is the luggage strap. Slide the backpack over your suitcase handle and breeze through airports or train stations. Plus, the wide-open top design with a built-in steel frame makes it easy to see and access everything inside. No more digging around the bottom of a sagging bag. And yes, it even has tech integration. Built into the side is a USB charging port, ideal for charging your phone or tablet while on the move. Just connect your power bank inside and plug your device in from the outside. Note that the bag doesn't come with a power bank, but the convenience of that built-in port is undeniable when you're out and about. Let's not forget comfort. The LTINVECK backpack is crafted with a padded back panel and thick, breathable shoulder straps that are both adjustable and ventilated. That means less strain and more support, even when it's fully loaded. The materials are water-resistant and environmentally friendly, with solid construction and durable zippers that ensure longevity and secure use every day. From its smart storage system to its portable design and charging capability, the LTINVECK knitting bag backpack is truly designed with the modern crafter in mind. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or simply crafting in your favorite park, this bag makes it easier and more organized than ever before. So if you've been searching for a knitting bag that combines beauty, brains, and function, this is it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this video helped you find your next favorite accessory, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart product recommendations. See you next time.